As we begin our meditation, I invite you to settle into your seat with your feet on the floor, your hands loosely in your lap, and maybe lightly close your eyes to shut out any visual distractions. And now give yourself permission to go within. Breathing in a couple of deep cleansing breaths, and then let the breath move from the top of your head into your lungs, and then moving into your core. And then release. Maybe inhaling to a count of 6 or 8, and releasing to a count of 8 or 10. Using your breath as your guide, relax into your seat and move into that place of peace and calm. Showers of blessings. I love these words. Meeting our momently need, now are the riches of heaven, healing our hearts of all greed. We have all we need. There's no need for greed. We have a very rich Father. As I prepared this meditation today, I looked to Charles Fillmore's classic book, Prosperity. The words that Charles Fillmore said were the same words that Dorothy Pearson repeated frequently when the topic of lack came up. God is substance. Abundant substance in God-filled mind fills my every need. Let me repeat this powerful affirmation. God is substance. Abundant substance in God-filled mind fulfills my every need. What are those needs in your life? What would you like more of? Maybe frame your need as an affirmation. Rather than saying, I'd like to be free from pain, affirm, I am healthy. And then ignite that positive thought, I am healthy, with energy and emotion. Maybe even smile. I am healthy. Just as there is no finite limit to love, there's no limit to love in your life. Who you love, how many you love, how deeply you love. There's no limit to love. And there is no limit or finiteness to prosperity. Prosperity flows from the same divine source that love does. The key is to accept God's abundance as limitless and accessible. And that God's abundance is what we tap into to meet any perceived need in our life. Maybe our big challenge is to fully accept into our consciousness the idea that we have limitless access to divine prosperity. Just as unlimited as the unlimited access we have to love. I wonder, what does prosperity look like to you? Do you desire more health? A job that you enjoy that prospers you? increased flow of creativity, more energy, more harmony in your life and the life of your loved ones, better relationships with family and friends, work colleagues and neighbors. Maybe prosperity is days that are filled with laughter and love and joy. Maybe it's more God in your life. Oh yes, that's what I desire more of. Fillmore says, God's world is a world of results that sequentially follow demands. Let me repeat that. God's world is a world of results that sequentially follows demands. So basically, ask and ye shall receive. Seek and ye shall find. Fillmore goes on to say, as you lay hold of substance with your mind, make it permanent and enduring. Realize your oneness with it. You are unified with living substance that is God. From this substance you were created. In it you live and move and have your being. By it you are fed and prospered. So let my words be your words as we affirm prosperity in our lives. I am healthy. God is my health in every need. I am healthy. I am wealthy. It is God's good pleasure to give me the kingdom. I am wealthy. I am wise. Wisdom and good judgment penetrate my life. I am wise. I am loved, and I am loving. As I repeat these affirmations, I invite you to let the music take you deeper. Maybe saying them silent to yourself, or selecting one that resonates for you today, taking it into meditation and focusing on it with joy and love. I am healthy. God is my help in every need. I am wealthy. It is my Father's good pleasure to give me the kingdom. I am wise. Wisdom and good judgment penetrate my life. I am loved, and I am loving. Let the music take you deeper. As you gently bring yourself back, know that you are loved beyond measure. Know that you only need to extend your hand. Know that you can ask for yourself and for others, and it shall be delivered unto you. Fear not, for it is your Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. Luke 12:32.